Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily unload external references with a click. Let's examine the external reference unload feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and the block menu appears. Then click on External Reference Unload. Select the object set as an external reference in the drawing, and then press Enter. The external reference disappears from the screen, and is unloaded. When you run the XREF Manager, you can see that the status is set to Unloaded. To make the unloaded external reference reappear, click the Reload button on the right. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to unload external references. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.